Whoa, what up? What's up? You already know the drill. You see the black and red box. So I'm going to show you know what it is. This is an OG. So today what we're looking at, we got the Air Jordan 1 Retro High in the clay green colorway. Opening the box, you see they come with some plain white paper. But that's not what we're here for. Here it is, the Air Jordan 1 High clay green. See, it comes with the extra laces, little clear plastic bag with Jordan logo on it. Now looking at the shoe, I mean, it's an okay shoe. I can't complain. You know what I mean? The colors are dope. The material they put into it is dope too. You know what I mean? Now I can't say it's the best, but pretty good. Now taking a look at the bottom of the shoe, you got the all green bottom. Here's a look at the toe box. You got that white soft leather surrounded by the black leather. You got the green Nike Air on the tongue. Here's a look at the tumble leather in the middle of the shoe. There's the Jordan Wings logo with that suede on it. Now the suede runs around the ankles, the Nike check, and along the heel of the foot. So, yeah, man, y'all let me know in the comments what you think. How you feel about these, man? But looking at the other shoe, pretty much the same, except for one difference. The sole on the inside, they have different writing on them. See this one? It has a Jordan 23 Hall of Fame, and it look like a couple of cards, you know, giving it that card effect. And that's on the right foot. On the left foot, on the inside, you have a bunch of, you know, little designs. Look like some kind of basketball court with the Jordan logo and, you know, some other things, but tried to let y'all see them. You know, you probably can't see them too good, but it is what it is, man. Like, I tried to bring it to you. I tried to, you know, hey, it is what it is, man. It's late, Saturday night, drinks flowing, so you already know the drill. You know, but yeah, that's, hopefully you can see that. No, you can't see it good, but we're just gonna go ahead and move on, man. You know, enough of that. But overall, to me, the shoe, it's a nice shoe, man. You know. Now this is part of this pack that was released. I think it was what, 4 pair of Jordan 1s, but that was released in different regions. So good luck getting that. You know, with the ones we were able to get in the U.S., as far as I know, are these the clay green ones and the blue moons. So let me know if you got anything else, you know, and it is what it is, man. But look, yeah, that was my look at the Air Jordan 1 Retro, the clay green colorway. I mean, I think it's a dope little shoe. You know what I mean? But y'all let me know what y'all think, man. But make sure y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Because we about to start dropping these videos back again, you know what I'm saying? And we took a little break for a minute, but, you know, it's time to get back on the grind. So we're going to look around the shoe a little bit. You know, we're going to get ready to do our own foot. And other than that, man, that's it. You know what I mean? So yeah, we're going to take a few more looks at the shoes, man. And then we're going to go ahead and try to get into this own foot because it's late, man, you know it. It is what it is, man. But anyway, y'all make sure y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Follow us on Instagram at PeddlersApp504, and I'ma holler back. Let's get into this own foot.